Have you ever wondered how sweet corn is farmed? It's a question that many of us, munching on a cob at a summer barbecue, might not think to ask. But the answer is a fascinating journey that takes us into the heart of agriculture itself. You see, sweet corn farming isn't just about planting a seed and watching it grow. It's a meticulous process involving several crucial steps, each one carefully calibrated to ensure the end result is a plump, juicy kernel of sweet corn. From the selection of the right seeds to the timing of the planting, from the management of the growing phase to the precision of the harvesting stage, every step in sweet corn farming is a testament to the skill and dedication of the farmer. Understanding these steps can help us truly appreciate the effort that goes into every kernel of sweet corn we enjoy. So are you ready for an adventure in agriculture? Let's unravel the secrets of sweet corn farming. The journey of sweet corn begins with planting. The first crucial step is choosing the right sweet corn variety, each with its unique flavor, color, and growing conditions. Once you've made your choice, it's time to prepare the soil. A rich, well-drained soil is ideal to ensure your corn plants have the best start. Now, onto the actual planting. Sweet corn seeds are not simply scattered on the ground, they're sown with care, usually in rows. The depth at which they're planted is important too. Typically, seeds are sown 1 to 2 inches deep in the soil. The spacing between the seeds is also key. A spacing of about 9 to 12 inches between each seed allows each plant to have enough room to grow and flourish without competing for nutrients. So, you've chosen your variety, prepped your soil, and sown your seeds. Once the seeds are snug in the ground, it's time for them to grow. The growing phase is when the magic truly begins. As the corn plants start to sprout and stretch towards the sky, they crave plenty of sunlight and water. These are the two vital elements that fuel their growth. It's like their breakfast, lunch, and dinner all rolled into one. Now, watering needs to be regular but not excessive. Too much water could drown the roots, while too little could leave the plants thirsty. It's a delicate balance that requires attention and care. But sunlight and water aren't enough. They need a balanced diet, and that's where fertilizers come in. Fertilizers provide the necessary nutrients that the soil might not have, helping the corn to grow strong and healthy. It's like giving the plants their vitamins. From the time of planting, it usually takes about 60 to 95 days for sweet corn to reach maturity. It's a journey of patience and dedication. After weeks of nurturing, it's finally time for the corn to be harvested. Harvesting is the final, rewarding stage of sweet corn farming. This is the moment when all the hard work pays off and the fields are ripe with sweet, succulent corn. Now, how do farmers know when it's the perfect time to harvest? They check the kernels for a milky fluid. If the fluid is clear, the corn needs more time. But if it's milky, then it's time to start picking. Harvesting sweet corn is a delicate process. Each ear of corn needs to be picked by hand to avoid damaging the ears, a testament to the meticulous care that goes into farming. It's not just about pulling the corn from the stalk, it's about ensuring the corn remains at its peak of freshness and sweetness. Once harvested, the corn must be stored and transported properly. This is crucial to maintaining the corn's sweetness, as the sugars can rapidly convert to starch if not handled correctly. And that, my friends, is how sweet corn is farmed. Sweet corn farming is a meticulous process from start to finish. We've journeyed together through each essential phase today. From the careful planting process where each kernel finds its home in the soil, to the growing phase, where our sweet corn plants reach for the sky under the watchful care of the sun and the farmer. And let's not forget the exciting harvesting stage, the culmination of all the hard work, where each ear of corn is gently plucked from its stalk, promising the sweet, juicy burst of flavor that makes it all worthwhile. Each step, each phase is crucial to the quality of the sweet corn that ends up on our plates. These secrets of sweet corn farming aren't just tips and tricks. They're a testament to the dedication, patience, and labor that goes into growing this beloved crop. Next time you enjoy a cob of sweet corn, remember the journey it took from the farm to your plate. Thank you for joining us today.